Hello, friends, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining today, and happy April 20th. If you've been following along with my spring Suncatcher kit launches, that is what we have today, and April 20th brings us Bumblebee Buzz. Oh my gosh. Wow. By the way, guys, this is so absolutely adorable. I cannot even. Guys, Bumblebee Buzz. This is what we've got for April. Let me take you through what you're going to get in your kit. Now, this month, friends, everybody will get the same prism. It is stunning. It's 50 millimeter K9 crystal, fully faceted HND prism, clear rainbow AB. And this is what it looks like. It is absolutely stunning. So gorgeous. Is that beautiful or what? That's your prism. Then I want to go from the top down as you look at the one I already put together. And then, of course, we'll do a design inspiration once kits start shipping. I have included this specific chain this month, guys, is very heavy duty. It is designed for plants or anything outdoor. And this is what it looks like. It's got the hook already attached. This is 9 inches. 9 inches. So you've got the hook. It's already attached. And they're like these little infinity links. But it is so heavy duty. Even with your tools, you probably can't even get that open unless you're like, I don't know, a welder. But anyway, this is fantastic. Now, with that said, even crimping is going to be fine here, so long as you're crimping really tight, but I'm also including extra split rings for that very reason. There is a tiny, I mean, it is so micro tiny, the infinity link gaps, that they're almost not even a gap, because they're not soldered, but they're so tight together and it's so heavy duty. So this is awesome. And I love, love, love this. So we've got our 9 inches of heavy duty chain with the hook attached in black. You will get a 1/2 yard of monofilament with 6 crimp tubes this month, and they are in gold. I'm giving you extra crimps this month. And then craft wire, guys, 26 gauge craft wire in black. You get 24 inches of that, and I'll show you in a minute because I actually made my own little honeycomb. And so I'm giving you some of that, but also I'll show you, I actually use this to start out and wire wrap my crystal. So 24 inches of black, 26 gauge craft wire. And then we're going to do the gold split rings. You get 6 of your split rings in gold. And these are gold over 201 stainless steel. There's 6. And then our hexagon connectors, we get 4 of those. These are 16 millimeter. And these are gold over 201 stainless steel as well. And you get 4 of them. That's what they look like. And what I thought was so cute, guys, is like you can make like a honeycomb out of them, right? You could do all kind of cool things with these, with that wire to make a cool honeycomb. So you get 4 of those. I'm so excited. I cannot even take myself. Then let's go down to our Bumblebee. Similarly to our butterfly last month, this little guy is 45 millimeters. He is 3D, and he is a rhinestone center, closed loops on the top and the bottom. So there is our Bumblebee. He's so cute. And again, multiple connection points. Gonna have a lot of fun with that with the Bumblebee. And crystals. So we have these, you're going to get a 14 rondelle pack. So you have 14 pack. And within that 14 pack, You get 11 8mm faceted rondelles in the yellow transparent. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Boy, are you going to pick up the sun with those. Oh my, I can't wait to get mine out on my patio. And then 2 8mm rondelles in the clear. And then 1 6mm yellow rondelle, but it's opaque. And the reason I put that in there, you can do a lot of fun things, is because I was even thinking how cute that might be to put some monofilament or crimp and a crimp or even the wire and kind of even just set him, you know, anywhere here or on, you know, one of the wings. But I don't know. I just thought that that would be a cute idea. Then our beautiful, again, canine crystal hexagons. These are also 16mm. They are, 14mm, and they are in black, but they're like a black transparent. You could probably tell better on the mat. They pull you down. Can you tell how they're kind of transparent? You can see through them. See that? Yeah, you can see through them. They're so beautiful. So you do get 3. They do have a drill hole on both sides. And again, they're 14mm hexagon canine crystals in black transparent. And that is your Bumblebee Buzz kit. Now that you're looking at everything, let me show you mine. This is the first one that I put together. So nice and long, as you see on the mat. And that's what I did with my crimp. That's what I did with my rondelles or my hexagons. Here's my bumblebee. Here's my honeycomb I made. Excuse me, guys. My yellow rondelles. And then I did a wire wrap loop, twisting the double twist tie loop right on my crystal. That's not going anywhere. Something totally fun and different. Kits are linked in the video, and they are available now until sold out. I thank you guys for tuning into today's video, and we will see you in the next one as I buzz along. Be blessed, my friends.